The trim on my Range Rover Classic is pretty rough, faded, worn out, and honestly overdue for some attention. So I finally decided it was time to do something about it and see if I could bring it back to life. In this video, I'll be sanding, masking, painting to give you the full transformation.
Okay, so we got everything scuffed and wiped down. That's pretty good. So next we'll be masking everything off. So all the prep work is done. Everything's wiped down, everything's scuffed, everything is masked. I normally like to use newspaper. Didn't have enough. This stuff's pretty cheap. 0.7 mil, 3-pack. It's like $7, $5. Something like that. Covers 108 square feet. Satin black. Canyon black. So it's probably overkill, but I want this to turn out nice. And I want it to last. Okay, so we got 3 coats on each one. They look pretty good. Should have sanded or used primer, an actual dedicated primer, but they look 10 times better than what they did. So I have a little helper that's going to help me pull the stuff. So say hi.
Hi.
We're going to pull the plastic off this. So let's get to it. So it's about 6 o'clock. My little helper is very adamant on using the camera. Are you going to point it at the car?
No. I don't want the camera.
I got
What is that?
all the pillars done. Thank you.
That.
All the pillars are done. They look pretty good. Pretty good.
No, help the camera. I have it.
Okay.
I have it.
Okay, yeah. I'm sure there will be some fading and it'll look a little bit more like that. But if not, I will end up doing the rest of the windows. But overall, looks pretty good. And this is a trail vehicle, so it doesn't look perfect. But I think some of the next things I'm going to tackle exterior wise are going to be like pushing that out. And some of these dents. I have a orbital polisher and some different kinds of compound. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. This is the next part I'm going to hit. It's just, some of these are just so questionable. Like when I bought it, I was like, what in the, how did that even happen? Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or comments or any feedback on what I could improve, please just let me know.